Hello everyone, in this video we will make a double hinge door. We also made these doors, so if you're interested I will link them down below. As usual, if you don't have a door asset, add the starter content pack. Let's create an actor blueprint for the door. I will name it double hinge door. Double click to open the blueprint. Drag and drop two doors into the blueprint. I will name this door as right door and this as left door. Make sure the doors are not children of one another. Just drag it to the parent and click attach. Rotate one side of the door and reposition it. We need a collision box to detect the player. Make sure it's not a child of any door because we don't want it to move with them. Resize the collision area so it's appropriate. Go to the event graph to create the logic. Right click on the box, add event, add on component begin overlap. We also need the reverse case, which is on component end overlap. Drag from the execute pin and add a sequence. Add another sequence for this one too. Drag and add a timeline for the right door. Connect this here to reverse the animation. Add another timeline for the left door. Connect both sequences to the new timeline in their correct spots. We use the sequence here so we can split the output of the overlap into two. Now to determine how the doors will move, we need to take this anchor point into consideration. Let's demonstrate an example. I will drag the door into the scene. Notice where the anchor point is. So moving towards the anchor point in this direction means increasing the angle, and we want this side of the door to open to the opposite side. Double click on the timeline of the right door, add a float, hold shift and left click to add a keyframe. Set it to 0, 0. Add another keyframe and set it to 190. Double click on the second timeline now, add a float, hold shift and left click to add a keyframe. Set it to 0, 180 because the starting position of this door represents 180 degrees rotation around the anchor point. Add another keyframe and set it to 190 because we want it to go back 90 degrees from the starting position. Drag from the timeline and add a set word rotation function. Notice that it has the right door as its target. Copy paste it and add the left door as its target. We need a make rotator function for each door. Link the float of the timeline to its Z input and its return value to this function. Do the same over here. Don't forget to link this one too. And this is it for the logic. Hit compile and let's test the door. There you go. Remember to always know where your anchor point is. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching.